Hey guys, it's Kurt from OTR Overland, and today we're going to be talking about how to make a DIY ammo can fire pit. If you live out west, you know there's a lot of fire restrictions and fire bans that go on throughout the year. So that means no wood campfires. But it's really nice in the evening to sit around with your friends around a campfire and just enjoy each other's company. So one of your only options really is to do a propane fire pit. There's a lot of options out on the market. Great companies make some awesome products like Lava Box and Ignite and Flame King, just to name a few. But oftentimes they cost anywhere from about $120 up to $300. So today we're gonna make our own for around $65. And it doesn't take a lot to do it. All you need is an ammo can. I happen to have one already. A propane burner. I got this on Amazon for under $20. Then you're just gonna need, a propane line with a regulator and a little bit of expanded steel. And that's it. Let's get to it. All right, so first things first, super easy. We're just gonna take the lid off. Right out. And then what we wanna do is, we've got our propane burner. It's really just going to sit in there this way. Okay, it's just gonna sit in there. And all we need to do is drill a hole through to take that fitting. All right, so basically I've marked my hole. I've gone in. I've used a punch to just kind of get it started. That hole right there is just my top mark. Now I'm just gonna drill a pilot hole in here to get it going. And now I basically just stepped to a stepper bit. Some folks use a hole saw. Either way, either one will work. So let's just drill this out. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna drill a couple holes here, and that's gonna give a little bit of airflow into this guy here, right? And then I'm also gonna drill a hole over here so I can get like a stick lighter in there to get this whole thing lit. You could also light it from the top, but we'll try it either way. So yeah. There we go. So one other thing I noticed on this was they basically just got this post there that you can screw things into. That's just going to be sitting on the bottom of the ammo can, and I didn't really want that. So I thought about doing it a couple different ways, but I actually just found some oversized nuts that fit there. This is the one that came with it. So really I'm just going to kind of tighten him on there, and that way it'll spread out a little bit. I wish I could spread out a little bit more, but I think that'll work for what we're doing. Now we'll put it in. Okay, next step, super simple. Something else I did was I got a washer. It's literally just a standard washer. I had to open it up just a little bit so it would fit through there. All right, so we'll just do that. And put this guy here. And that's it. So we're all set. I'll just tighten that guy down and we'll be good to go. All right, guys, so what I did is I actually got a different piece of expanded steel. What I had was really kind of heavy gauge, and it was just hard to work with, so I just ran and got something that's a lighter gauge and easier to bend. To get the bends in, it was really straightforward. All I did was, I don't have a metal bender or anything like that, so I just got two 2x4s, marked a straight line where I needed them, screwed the two 2x4s together, one on top, one on bottom, and then just kind of took a rubber mount and bent it along there, so we're good to go. Next steps, we'll just put in some lava rocks, and we'll be all set. Put those in there. All right, so we've got those there. Cool, let's see how this thing works. So one of the things I did notice is when you first light it up, it does burn with kind of a blue flame, and then once it warms up a little bit, then it definitely gets more kind of a natural fire yellow color. So yeah, overall I'm really pleased with the way this is working. Alright guys, so that wraps it up for the DIY ammo can. If you guys have any questions, just be sure to let me know in the comments. And do me a favor, just like and subscribe. Have a good one.